In this video, I explain various types of the pressure. Okay, in the last video we study about the pressures. Okay, what is the pressure? Pressure is equal to force upon area. Okay, so atmosphere have some value of pressures, and with respect to these atmospheric pressures, the various pressures are defined. Okay, so here we study the different types of the four pressures. First is the atmosphere pressure, second one is the gauge pressures, third one is absolute pressures, and fourth one is the vacuum pressures. And what is the standard value of atmospheric pressures? Okay, in this video. So first we learn about the atmosphere pressures. So atmosphere pressure or atmospheric pressure is defined as the pressure exerted by the atmospheres. Okay, means our atmosphere are exerted some pressures on the every components or on the every body. Okay, it is called as the atmospheric pressures or atmosphere pressures. And the atmospheric pressure vary from place to place. Okay, means at the different locations the value of the pressure is different depending on the altitudes. Okay, so we know that in the hilly area the pressure is lower. Okay, and the area near to sea levels the pressure is higher. Okay, so pressures are changed with the various locations, and the atmospheric pressures are measured by using the barometers. Okay, so in the last video we already discussed that is a various measurement device is there, barometer is there, pressure gauge is there. Okay, so barometer is used to measure the atmospheric pressures. Okay, now what is the standard value of these atmospheric pressures? Okay, so we are discussing what is the standard value of the atmospheric pressures. So it is the pressure of atmospheric air at the mean sea levels. Okay, means at the mean sea levels we measure the pressure of the atmospheric air. It is called as the standard atmospheric pressures, and it is defined as the pressure produced by mercury column of 760 mm. Means we take the ones capillary tubes, and in this capillary tube suppose we fill this mercury. Okay, and the mercury height is the 760 mm, then it is called as the one standard atmospheric pressures. So if we take the density of the mercury equal to 13595.09 kg per meter cubes, and the gravitational accelerations equal to 9.80665 meter per second squares. Okay, so now pressure is equal to rho gh. Okay, so pressure is denoted as the P, and the P is equal to rho gh. Okay, so we have the density of the mercury, we know the gravitational acceleration g, and that is a column of height, that is a 760. Okay, and we putting all these value in these equations. So rho is equal to 13595.09 into g, that is a 9.80665, and the 760 mm. So 760 mm is converted into the meter. Okay, so it is a 0.760, and we get this answer in Newton per meter square. So answer is 1.01325 into 10⁵ Newton per meter square, and we convert this Newton per meter square into bar. Then we need to divide this value by 10⁵. Okay, so we get this answer, that is a 1.01325 bar. Okay, so this is the standard atmospheric pressures. Okay, means right now the atmosphere around us, it has some pressure, and its value of the pressure is 1.01325 bars. Okay, now all these parameters are represented on the graph. Okay, so on this x-axis, that is no any parameter is there, and on the y-axis value of the pressure is there. Okay, so when we moving in these upper directions, the value of the pressure is increased. Okay, so this is the here on the y-axis, at the starting of the y-axis the pressure is absolute zero pressures, or it is also called as the perfect vacuums. Okay, and we draw the one atmosphere pressure line. Okay, so its value is the 1.01325 bars. Okay, and this atmosphere pressure value is greater than the absolute zero pressures. Okay, so here absolute zero pressure means its value is 0, and it is considered as the perfect vacuums. Okay, now the next parameters is the gauge pressures. Okay, so earlier we studied atmosphere pressures. So what is the gauge pressure? The pressure relative to the atmosphere is called as the gauge pressure. Means gauge pressure is measured with respect to the atmosphere pressure or atmospheric pressures. Okay, that's why here the relative word is used. Okay, means the pressure measures with respect to the atmospheric pressure, it is called as the gauge pressures, and this pressure is measured by the pressure gauge. Okay, earlier we study about the atmospheric pressure. Okay, so atmospheric pressure is measured by using the barometers. Now here what we see, this is the gauge pressures, and the gauge pressure is measured by using the pressure gauge. Okay, so this value of the gauge pressure is about the atmospheric pressures. Okay, so here we taking the one point, and the point name is the A, and we draw this line for the reference. Okay, so this value about the atmosphere pressure is called as the gauge pressures. Okay, so means any pressure above the atmospheric pressures I'll call as the gauge pressures. Next pressure is the absolute pressures. Okay, so it is the pressure measure with reference to absolute zero pressures. Okay, so here you see in this diagram, this is the absolute zero pressure lines. Okay, so we measures the pressure with respect to this absolute zero pressure. It is called as the absolute pressures, and it is the pressure related to the perfect vacuums. Okay, so absolute pressures have the two equations. Here we saw the one equation, that's the mathematically absolute pressure is equal to atmospheric pressure plus gauge pressures, and another equation is also possible that we study when we study the vacuum pressures. Okay, so here you see this is the absolute pressures on the graph. Okay, means absolute pressures is equal to these atmospheric pressures plus these gauge pressures. Okay, so it is called as the absolute pressure. So same way absolute pressure is possible below the atmospheric pressures. Okay, so when we discuss the vacuum pressure, so now next definition is the vacuum pressure. At that time we study the other equations of the absolute pressures. So what is the vacuum? The pressure below the atmospheric pressure is called as the vacuum. Okay, means the vacuum point is always lower than the atmospheric pressure. Means suppose the pressure is reduced below the atmospheric pressure, then we call it is the vacuum pressures. Okay, means the vacuum pressure is always below the atmospheric pressures, and gauge pressure is always above to the atmospheric pressures. Okay, so here we put the point number B. Okay, and these call as the vacuum pressures. Okay, so from this atmosphere line to this point B, it is indicate the vacuum pressures. Okay, and this is the absolute pressures. Okay, so when we study these absolute pressures, we mention here that it is the pressure related to the perfect vacuums. Okay, so when here you see this is the perfect vacuums. Okay, so these pressures is measures with respect to the perfect vacuums. So earlier we measures these absolute pressures with respect to the absolute zero pressures or a perfect vacuums. Okay, so same way it is also measured here. Okay, this absolute pressure is equal to atmospheric pressures minus gauge pressures. Okay, so it is here you also see that this absolute pressure is also measured with respect to these perfect vacuums. Okay, so perfect vacuum is obtained when absolute pressure is zero. Okay, means when we achieve these absolute zero pressures in any systems, then we can see that it is the perfect vacuum is there. Okay, that's why here the perfect vacuum word is mentioned. Okay, means the pressure is zero, then it is the perfect vacuum. At this instance molecular momentum is zero, means when the perfect vacuum is done, that is a no molecular moment is there. Okay, so the relations between the different pressures is given in these figures. Okay, so we already discussed these different pressures on the diagram, so we cannot again repeat it. So thank you for watching this video. If you learned something, then like the video and subscribe my channels for watching the more video related to basic mechanical engineering or elements of mechanical engineering subjects. Okay, for the BME or EME subject, various link is provided in descriptions as well as in the card. For other subject, I request to visit the playlist.